Good evening, everybody. This is Dean Regas, astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory, coming to you live from the top of Alt Park here in Cincinnati, Ohio. We're up here getting some good views of the conjunction of the little crescent moon and the planet Venus, and it is looking so cool. We were coming up here thinking, I don't know if we're going to be able to see this, but the clouds were out of the way and we got this really great view all the way down the horizon. So I'll stay with you here for a little while telling you about these two objects. So there's we have Venus there on the left and the moon on the right. Now that isn't how they're really supposed to be, so we can flip them around to do the more accurate view, hopefully. Well, then again, maybe I can't do that. I'm working on it. Okay, I guess I can't do that. Anyway, we'll go back to the view here. But we've got our two objects here. So where you have to look is west-northwest, very, very low in the sky. This is our view here tonight, and it looks so cool. We've got slimmest crescent moon that I've seen in a long time. It's about a day old, and only about 1%, a little over 1% is showing. So when you look at it there, it's kind of, you see it shimmering along the edge there. That is all the turbulence of our atmosphere, because we're looking pretty low in the sky. So that little tiny sliver, that's all we're seeing there. And oops, now I'm drawing stuff. Okay, anyway, there we go. There we go. So we're getting some pretty good views in here. I'm going to try to dim it down here just a little bit, and then we can back it up here a little bit too. There we go. Let's back it on up. So this is a really skinny crescent moon tonight. It was just a new moon yesterday, basically, and there's Venus there over to the left. Super teeny tiny. So if you're looking for this in the real sky, it is almost impossible to see the moon in the sky right now. It is so skinny. We had to look at it with binoculars, and I have some eagle eye people up here that saw it before me, and they're like, there it is, there it is. So if you have a pair of binoculars, that will help. But you look just above the horizon. In the real sky, Venus will be to the right of the moon, and then you got the little Venus there, and then a little crescent moon. Now let me move Venus into the middle here. Now Venus is, generally speaking, should have a phase to it, but when I zoom in, it doesn't have much of a phase. It just went around the backside of the sun and is now popping out in the evening sky. So you're going to be seeing Venus quite a bit here in the next couple months. So it's pretty much like a gibbous Venus right now, so we can't really see much of a shape to it. Like last year we saw it as a nice little crescent, but today it's just kind of a gibbous. I'll try to get them both back in there again. They're only about a degree apart, so not too far. You could block them both out with your pinky at arm's length, and it makes a nice view. I'm going to try to flip it around, but last time I tried to do that, it didn't work. So let me try again. Well, we'll just go with that. So hope you're having a great night out there and getting some viewing in. If you're looking out in the sky and you can't quite see the moon and Venus, they are really low in the sky. They're only about maybe about 1.5 degrees above the horizon right now. But if you look up a little bit higher, so we're looking west-northwest still, a little bit higher in the sky, you'll see the planet Mercury up there too. And so tomorrow night, the moon and Mercury will be in conjunction, so you'll have to check those out. Now as you're looking here, you're seeing everything starting to fade a little bit. The little crescent moon is barely even visible there. It's starting to get tougher to see. So I don't think I'll be able to video it too much longer, but I hope you're having a good time checking this out. Feel free to share this video with others. Send me your thumbs up, likes, all that kind of stuff, and share this with other folks. We'd love to spread the word about this conjunction. And like I said, tomorrow night, then we're going to do it again with the moon and the planet Mercury really close together. So the moon will be a little bit, should be pretty brighter, a lot brighter than it is tonight, but not too bad. And there it is, fading away. It's like a ghostly image of these two things. And it's so cool to see Venus actually brighter than the moon there. So I think we're starting to lose it in the haze of the sky. We can just barely even see it with the naked eye, but looking pretty good. So if the clouds are looking good, I might do this again tomorrow night, just about the same time, a little after 9 o'clock. And there it goes. The moon is fading away. It's almost like an eclipse happening as it's going down there, but tomorrow it should be a little bit brighter. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoy this. And like I said, if you like it, send us some thumbs up and some hearts, and feel free to share it with other folks. But thanks for tuning in. I'm Dean Regas from the Cincinnati Observatory, and everybody keep looking up.